Okay. Let's look at the problems for today. So some of y'all may be planning to go into the medical field and stuff, and so these problems apply to that field of work. Okay, these formulas. So so one of the formulas that we're going to be using is the blood pressure formula in today's lesson. How many of you have that memorized? Probably not, right? Because it's not one that we've been doing. Chloe, come on, take your headphones off, get your notes, get this page out with us.
I've already done it.
When did you get it?
Earlier, I grabbed it.
You already finished it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and you got it turned in on GoFormative already too?
It wasn't posted.
Oh, you're right, it's not yet, because I wasn't planning on it getting done before I got it up there. Okay, so this formula is fairly straightforward. The P is the approximate blood pressure that someone should have based on their age, which is the A. So depending on how old somebody is, you should know what their systemic blood pressure should be, or systolic blood pressure. I do not know if that's the top number when you take blood pressure or the bottom number. I'm pretty sure it's the bottom number.
128.
Normal.
Normal blood.
No, is that for the top or the bottom number? You know when they take your blood pressure on your arm,
Yeah.
you get two numbers?
Oh, the 114?
The systolic one. The systolic one. Is that your top number or your bottom number?
The bottom?
I think so too, because I think your top number is always littler, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm not in the medical field, so you can ask somebody in the medical field. So these are pretty much straightforward. So if somebody's 40 years old, you would substitute 40 in, and here for the age. What's 40 divided by 2? 20 plus 100. So 120. That's it, guys.
Simple, right?
And there's not even any units on this one. Okay. So now at the bottom, it's the other way. If you're given the blood pressure, can you figure out how old somebody is? So that one you're going to work backwards. So you're looking for the age of the person. Okay, so you're going to take the blood pressure, subtract 100 from it, and then multiply it by 2, and that would give you your answer. So you're trying to find Jim's age. So you're going to take 130 minus 100, which is what?
130.
130 minus 100
30.
is 30. Times it by 2.
60.
60. So how old is Jim?
60.
60. Okay. So look, see? Not even a very long assignment here, right? Just look at the examples. There's a different example here, trying to figure out the weight, right? When you have the height. The hardest part here is changing it all to inches. You have to change the height to inches. So how many inches are in a foot?
12.
12 inches equals 1 foot. So you're going to have to multiply your feet by 12 first and then add the inches to get your total inches of how tall they are to figure out your problems. So not hard, which means that if you're behind, you should have plenty of time today to get caught up on your other assignments, right? Maybe you get them all put in.